Electrolux Professional APAC Dealer Convention นะคะซึ่งงานนี้จัดขึ้นที่โรงแรมดุสิตธานีพัทยาค่ะที่รวมเอาผู้บริหารแล้วก็ผู้ประกอบการนะคะของทั้ง Electrolux Professional แล้วก็พาร์ทเนอร์นะคะจากทั่วเอเชียแปซิฟิกมาร่วมกันเพื่ออัปเดตเทรนด์แล้วก็ Connect กัน Networking กันนะคะซึ่ง Clean Star ก็เป็นหนึ่งในพาร์ทเนอร์หลักค่ะที่ได้เข้ามาร่วมในงานนี้นะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะเข้าไปคุยกันค่ะกับผู้บริหารนะคะว่าทำไมทางฝั่ง Electrolux Professional เลือกที่จะร่วมงานกับ Clean Star แล้วก็เขามองเห็นศักยภาพมองเห็นทิศทางแล้วก็อนาคตตลาดในเมืองไทยอย่างไรค่ะWhat makes Electrolux Professional last for hundreds of years?
So this year we are celebrating 120 years of history of Electrolux Professional Laundry. And we're putting the core of our many years of history two important elements. One is the element of customers. It's about creating innovation and value for our customers. And the second word I just said is innovation. So by investing disproportionately in new solutions, we are continuously bringing more value to the market, to the planet.
I think it's a combination of things. I think strong leadership, a very strong mission, the ability to innovate and challenge ourselves every day.
The passion, the commitment of staying in the company as much as or as long as possible, but also really building something sustainable to let the company last longer.
What is the identity or heart of Electrolux Professional brand?
We have very strong values in our Swedish heritage. In Sweden is really about environment, about respecting, about making sure that we leave a footprint that is better for the planet and for the society. And I think over long years of history, we've always been genuine to these core principles.
What do you see in Thai market?
It's a very interesting market. It's of course growing or has been growing a lot, also after the economic setbacks in the late 19th. But also it's something what has a really great future because we see at the moment quite some political unrest and also some new changes on the global politics. And Thailand is surely a country which will benefit from this, where lots of investments are going to, so more capital, more growth, of course, and then also an economy which is growing on a very good foundation with a lot of knowledgeable people in the country. So I'm really positive on the outlook.
Please tell me more about Clean Star. Why did you choose to work with them and collaborate with this team?
So we are really amazed by the collaboration with Clean Star, a collaboration which started some time ago. And has been immediately a company we identify as fitting with our core values. So a company agile, focusing on customer, looking for new avenues to develop business models. And so we put in contact Clean Star with our partner in Korea to create a business that is unprecedented and develop the Thai market in different avenues.
I think Clean Star is a very knowledgeable, very progressive company with, say, a very dynamic team.
It's about the company, but also the persons working there. They're passionate, they are very intelligent and know exactly what they are doing and also their market. But they're also hungry and eager and keen to grow. And that is something what is quite well fits to our own interests, of course, but also the way of how we want to do business with people. And that's why we choose and are still just probably on the beginning of our journey and looking forward to the next couple of years where we really see this common growth.
What are your thoughts on Clean Star's growth?
So Clean Star have been developing the business very, very well. And has been shaping a business that was not existing in Thailand, being the coin-op market. Up to this year, 2022, Clean Star managed to create 150 laundromats, coin stores. And we are putting in place also very important plans for next year, adding contingent business model like our proprietary wet cleaning system Lagoon to the store. So the growth plan, the growth trajectory is extremely encouraging. And we're really counting to continue these partnerships for many years to come.
What is the future of Electrolux Professional and Clean Star in Thailand?
The future is hopefully long, very strong in terms of a partnership, and a good opportunity for all to, say, increase, gain sales, and grow faster than the market.
So for us, again, we really are keen to create a longer-term relationship with our partners to really shape the environment and the business for the better. So our perspective with Clean Star is to have a very long trajectory together of growth in this market and in different applications, which I mentioned previously.
Electrolux Professional is indeed the undisputed leader in washing machines. What factors do you believe contribute to this brand's popularity?
Our company is 120 years old, so we have created a legacy. We always want to be the best in class and always the first company ahead in terms of technology. Today, I think we have the wide range of equipment and we really have big values that they make us one of the most trustful supplier and partner in our industry.
I think it's related to our innovation, that we are always striving for having the best products out there and being really, really sustainable.
We are not old-fashioned. We are always coming up with state-of-the-art products. We are leaders in the industry, but we have the stability of an old company and a good foundation.
Let's talk about laundromat trends. What is the futures of this industry?
I think the industry future will be more of coin laundries coming to the market because of raw materials becoming more difficult to obtain, and therefore a lot of households having them domestically. It will move into a more professional environment. So time is of essence for everyone. So having a coin laundry, people can save their time. It will go quicker in a coin laundry compared to doing your washing and drying at home. So I think the move will be more to a circular economy where we can really use the same thing for many people.
What are your thoughts on Thailand's laundromats?
Thailand coin laundry market just started. And also, Thailand players added more value, which is suitable for the local demand. So I think the very whole long time in the even future, still Thailand coin laundry market will grow more.
I'm really surprised about the growth and the activities which we can see in the Thai market. But I believe it's a beneficial thing for the country and for the people to have really a good laundromat industry, which is providing a good hygiene standard. And I think it will be a good opportunity for growth in this market.
What's it like to work with Clean Star team?
Clean Star team is an amazing team. They really trust on us, they trust on the solution that we can provide in the market, and really they see the market in a different way.
Clean Star team is amazing to work with because they are challenging us every day almost, and that's how we become better and how we can help and develop and provide better products all the time, because they are challenging us and giving us the insights and information that we need. So we're working really good together and have a good collaboration.
Their way of thinking is, the very, the flexible and very new for our, the industry.
Yeah, highly professional. It makes fun to work with them.
ริษัท Clean Star Solution เนี่ยก็ได้รับรางวัลจาก Electrolux Professional นะครับในภูมิภาคเอเชียแปซิฟิกว่าเป็นบริษัทที่สามารถที่จะพัฒนาระบบรูปแบบแฟรนไชส์เนี่ยได้ดีที่สุดในภูมิภาคนี้ก็เริ่มจากว่าเรามีพาร์ทเนอร์ที่แข็งแกร่งนะครับทั้งจากทาง Electrolux เองเราได้เลือกใช้เครื่องที่ดีที่สุดให้กับผู้ลงทุนแล้วจริงๆนะครับแล้วเราก็สั่งสมประสบการณ์ทั้งในประเทศเกาหลีแล้วก็จากองค์ความรู้ต่างๆทั่วโลกนะครับที่ได้นำมาช่วยพัฒนาธุรกิจร้านสะดวกซักนะครับหรือว่าเครื่องซักผ้าหยอดเหรียญในประเทศไทยนะครับแล้วก็ต้องขอขอบคุณสำหรับนักลงทุนทุกๆท่านที่เชื่อมั่นในเครื่อง Electrolux Professional แล้วก็เชื่อมั่นใน WASHENJOY เราก็ยังคงมองถึงการพัฒนาตัวเองอยู่เรื่อยๆนะครับว่ามีอะไรบ้างที่จะทำให้ผู้ลงทุนเนี่ยสามารถที่จะสร้างรายได้ทำผลกำไรได้ดีขึ้นมีธุรกิจอะไรอีกที่สามารถจะแตกยอดออกไปได้นะครับเพื่อที่จะเติบโตต่อไปด้วยกันนะครับ